बजरंगी भाईजान का ट्रेलर देखा?
Sorry, I did not talk about that.
लेकिन कुछ आपने कुछ स्टिल लिया?
बहुत कठिन सवाल है। No. See, like my mom's birthday and my mom-in-law's birthday and everything, I love giving also. I love to give gifts and I love accepting gifts also. So when birthdays, people write, oh no, gifts and all. I said, but then what's the fun of a birthday? I mean, if there are no presents to open, sit in presents, open.
Personally, are you really fond of jewelry?
Yes, personally, I enjoy good jewelry. I buy 1 or 2 good pieces a year. But like I said, I have to think of a bahu also that's coming. Some many years later. My son is only 8 years old. But it's the right investment at the right time.
But personally, if you get a chance to choose 1 out of 2, one would be diamonds and second would be gold. What would you personally prefer?
I think both have a very irreplaceable value. You cannot make diamonds without gold in it, and you can't just have plain gold. Sometimes diamonds enhance it, so it's something which goes hand in glove.
Can you revive some memories that you have got the finest gift of jewelry from some of your friends from Bollywood?
I'm always getting jewelry from my family, so I most of the time. And I love, like I said, I love giving also jewelry. I love the excitement on my mom's face, on my mom-in-law's face when they open that box and it's a small, even if it's a small pair of earrings or a small ring, it's something which is useful. It is value for money,
But about family, no Bollywood friends, involved in that. लेने में और देने में.
I don't know what you say.
About family, no Bollywood friends involved in that giving jewelry or taking jewelry.
Of course we do, but I don't think I'm going to sit and now make a list. During my wedding, I got a lot of gifts from a lot of my so-called Bollywood friends, like you said. But I don't distinctly remember now.
रवीना, टॉकिंग अबाउट गिफ्ट्स, आपको अभी गिफ्ट मिला,
जी हाँ,
बजरंगी भाईजान का लॉकेट मिला आपको, कैसा लगा? आपने बताया नहीं लॉकेट, आपने जब देखा?
मैंने BM Kartil के बहुत सारे रेंजेस लॉन्च किए हैं, and the very fact that I'm associated with BM Kartil is because I think they have innovative, they have different ideas and they come up with beautiful jewelry.
टॉकिंग अबाउट बजरंगी भाईजान ट्रेलर देखा आपने? बजरंगी भाईजान का ट्रेलर देखा?
Sorry, I did not talk about that.
लेकिन कुछ आपने कुछ स्टिल लिया?
Can we talk about what we are here for?
We've just got to know that you're doing a film with Anurag again, Return Gift. So can you tell us something about that? Have you signed the dotted line?
It's too much in pre stages right now. So honestly, I can't talk about it right now. When they'll make the announcement, then they'll make it.
And also, were you happy with your role in Bombay Velvet? Because we were hearing that.
I had no role in Bombay Velvet. It was a guest appearance.
Okay.
It was just 2 songs that I was supposed to do. 3 songs actually.
But was it going to be more earlier? That is what it came out as.
That's all gone now. Let's talk about BM Kartil. That'll be better. तो बहुत पुराना किस्सा हो गया, छोड़ दो.
BM Kartil का इनोग्रेशन माधुरी जी ने किया था, और उनको जैसे ही पता चला कि अब रवीना जी कर रही है, तो उन्होंने कहा कि मेरे अग्नि में रवीना का क्या काम है.
यार वो गाना उनका भी नहीं था पहली बात तो ये मैं सौरभ को दे दूंगी, तो सौरभ क्लैरिफाई करेंगे कि हम तीनों की क्या रोल है विद BM Kartil.
आपने कब सुना? क्योंकि ये सब ऑल ऑफ फ्रेंड्स, आई थिंक दे each brand has each celebrity has a role to play in the brand Lostfit. So there is no confusion here at all. We're looking at patch expansion. We have separate for diamond, separate for silver, for gold. So हर एक का अलग रोल होता है. And it's a very mutually cordial relationship. इसमें झगड़ा कुछ नहीं है. And the brand, everyone is very important for us, and we all are very. So I'll say.
Diwali Shab will be releasing. That's a film by Onir. That's a love story. So for now I can talk about that. And like Saurabh said, and with BMG, the association is going to definitely go ahead, like he's just mentioned. And he's today, Touchwood, got the best, ratings on whatever you say, including his ambassadors, Salman, a dear friend, Madhuri ji, a senior, and another dear friend, and me. So we all have our own different works chalked out. To answer your question, I didn't answer. I gave it to him to answer. But we all three represent PNG, and we all have our own three separate, whether they are representing gold, diamonds, or the other collection, like how you saw Salman normally represents the pendants, and like they were discussing the men's collection. He represents the men's collection. Thank you everybody, and again apologies for starting this a little late. Yeah. Next one, I have a question.